What is up, guys? Side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Shopify subscription. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in shopify.com, and then you will be welcome to this login or sign up dashboard of Shopify. So if you are new to Shopify, simply click on start for free and then create your account with your email, password and the credentials. But if you already have a Shopify account, simply click on login and then you will be automatically logged in to your Shopify store. Now, after signing or logging in, you will be welcome to the home page of Shopify. So from here on the right side, click on your store, and after clicking, you can see the option of manage account. Click on this manage account option and then a new tab will open. From here on the left side, click on security, and after clicking on security, scroll down at the bottom and then you can see your logged in device, and then you can just simply click on log out to log out with your Shopify store. Now after logging out, come back to your home page, and after coming to the home page on the left side at the bottom, click on the settings icon, and after coming to the settings on the left side at the top, you can see the plan section. Click on this plan and then you will see all your current plans that are chosen by you. You can just simply click on deactivate plan, and then it will ask you about three reasons. So just simply click on the deactivate plan, and after that, when you are done, just simply hit OK, and then your Shopify subscription will be deactivated. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.